I just found 6 machines that people are quietly trying to keep to themselves because they are using them to make money right from their living room, sometimes even more than a full-time job. And here's the interesting part. You can buy every single one of these machines online right now and start using them from home to get paid. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these machines are, how they work, how much money people are making, what you need to get started, and how much they cost.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 6. Laser engraver. This machine might sound complicated at first, but it's actually very simple to use. You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. Here's how it works. You take a design, it could be a name, a quote, or a simple graphic, and upload it into the software. Then you place your item, like a cutting board, tumbler, or even a notebook, into the machine. After that, you press start, and the machine does the work for you. It uses a laser to burn the design directly onto the surface, creating clean and professional-looking results. People are making serious money with this. The best part is, the designs don't have to be complicated. Simple names, dates, or short messages sell really well, especially for gifts like weddings or special occasions. To get started, you can buy machines like the X-Tool D1 Pro or Ortur Laser Master 3 for around $280 to $350. Then you can buy blank items like cutting boards or tumblers for just a few dollars each. Once you customize them, you can sell them for $20 to $60 or even more depending on the design and quality. This is a great option if you want something simple, scalable, and easy to run from home. Before you move on, the next machine is way cheaper to start, and people are using it to create products while they are not even working. Number 5. 3D printer. This one is really interesting because it lets you create actual physical products right from your home. And the best part is, you don't need to design anything from scratch. Here's how it works. You download ready-made 3D designs from websites like Thingiverse or Printables. Then you load that file into a slicing software, which prepares it for printing. After that, you press print, and the machine starts building the item layer by layer. It's not like printing on paper. This creates real 3D objects that you can hold and sell. People are using this to make things like mini toys, plant pots, cookie cutters, and even custom items. To get started, you can buy a Creality Ender 3 for around $219. You'll also need PLA filament, which is the material used for printing, and that's very affordable. Most products sell between $10 and $40, and you can charge even more if you offer custom designs or bundle multiple items together. The best part is, once the machine starts printing, it does everything on its own. You can literally let it run while you relax or do other things. This makes it a fun and low-effort way to start a side hustle from home. If you're finding this helpful so far, take a second and let me know which machine you would actually try. It helps me understand what to share more of. Number 4. Wax Seal Stamp Kit. This one looks very high-end, but it's actually simple to start and can be done right from home. You've probably seen wax seals on wedding invitations, thank you cards, or luxury packaging. They give that premium and elegant look. But here's what most people don't realize. Many of these are not made one by one for each order. They are made in batches as wax seal stickers. Here's how it works. You melt the wax using a small warmer, then stamp it with a custom design like initials, a logo, or a symbol. After that, you let it cool and add an adhesive backing. Now it becomes a peel and stick wax seal that customers can use anytime. People are making serious money with this. Most orders are simple. Packs of 20 seals are selling between $15 and $40, depending on the design and style. The startup cost is very low. You can get a custom stamp for around $15, a wax warmer for about $15, wax beads for around $10, and adhesive stickers for about $7. Even if you add packaging like velvet bags and a small heat gun, your total cost is only around $60 to $90. The materials last a long time, so your profit margin stays high. This is a great option if you want a low-cost business that looks premium and is easy to manage from home. Next, we are about to get into a machine that turns simple designs into physical products you can sell again and again. This one surprised me the most. Number 3. Edible Image Printer. This is one of the most unique and creative side hustles on the list. If you've ever seen a birthday cake with a photo printed on top, that image is usually made using an edible printer. And many of these are not made in big stores. They are made by people working from home. Here's how it works. Customers place an order online, usually through platforms like Etsy, and send you the image they want. You print that image onto a special frosting sheet using edible ink. Then you package it flat and ship it to the customer. It's simple, clean, and easy to scale. People are making real money doing this. To get started, you can buy a full bundle for around $2.99. This usually includes the edible printer, edible ink cartridges, around 50 frosting sheets, food-safe markers, and a cleaning kit. Each print can be sold for $10 to $25 or more, especially for larger sizes or rush orders. Since every order is custom, customers are willing to pay more for personalized designs. This is a great choice if you want something simple, creative, and easy to run from home with low effort. Number 2. Tufting Gun Rug Making Machine. This one is perfect if you like creative work, but even if you are not artistic, you can still do this. You've probably seen those custom rugs online with logos, cartoon characters, or unique designs. A lot of those are not made in factories. They are made at home using a tufting gun. Here's how it works. First, you take a design. This could be something you create in Canva, Procreate, or even something you print out. Then, you trace that design onto a special tufting fabric. After that, you use the tufting gun, which pushes yarn through the fabric to bring the design to life. It's almost like coloring, but with yarn instead of a pen. If you can follow a pattern and stay inside the lines, you can do this. People are making very good money with this. To get started, you can buy a beginner kit for around $149, which includes the tufting gun and fabric. You will also need yarn, and that usually costs around $2 to $3 per roll. Once finished, these rugs can sell for $85, $150, or even $300 or more, depending on the size and design. This is a great option if you want a creative side hustle that also has strong profit potential. Number 1. Nail Art Printer. This machine is trending right now, especially on platforms like TikTok and Etsy, and it allows you to create custom press-on nails from home. Here's how it works. First, you buy blank press-on nails, and these are very cheap when bought in bulk, around 50 cents per set. Then you place the nails into the printer. Using an app, you upload any design you want. It could be patterns, photos, or custom artwork. The machine then prints that design directly onto the nails. After printing, you let them dry, package them nicely, and ship them to your customer. It's simple, fast, and does not require advanced skills. People are making great money with this. Since these are personalized, customers are willing to pay more. Most sets sell between $20 and $45, especially for events like birthdays, weddings, or theme designs. To get started, you can buy a nail art printer for around $2.99. This is a great option if you want a trendy business that you can run right from your bedroom with low startup effort and high demand. At the start, I told you there are simple machines people are using from home to make real income, and now you've seen exactly what they are and how they work. None of these require a huge investment, a big team, or years of experience. What they do require is taking action and staying consistent. The biggest difference between people who make money with these and those who don't is simple. They actually start. You don't need to try all 6. Just pick one that makes sense to you, learn how it works, and focus on getting your first few sales. Once you do that, everything becomes easier and more clear. Real opportunities are already here, and now you know exactly where to start. If this video helped you see business differently, subscribe. Not for hype, but for clear video that help you make smarter decisions before spending your money. And I will see you in the next video. Share with someone who may need it.